Hey, this is Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies. Just coming back at you with another little update. I put some more carpeting down, and I did manage to make some dots over there. You can see over there, there's a dot, and there's a dot there, and a dot right there. Still working on the wall over here yet, and tomorrow is trash day, so some of this other trash over here on this side of the room will be going bye-bye. A few spiders had to move permanently, but we're taking care of it. This space over here, you can see over here, is what I'm going to move this stuff once some of this other junk is cleared out. I will move this stuff and get rid of this shelf over here, and this will become the drag lane right here. And what we're thinking is we've got about maybe 22 feet clear, maybe a little bit more. So it's going to be more than enough for an 1/8 mile for a 28th scale. But for anything else other than that, it's going to be kind of small. For the 143, it'll be perfect because you'll have plenty of exit room. For the 128th, yeah, you should have some exit, but we'll make it so that it's safe. But yeah, so I got some plans coming up for that too in the future. But yeah, I think the track turned out pretty good actually. I'll walk you around the track here. This is the hairpin turn right here, turn 1. And you can see brightly colored dot there with a little bit of raising so that way you can't just run over the dot. There's a little bit of a relief area right here too for beginners, rookies. And then we're coming around the hairpin right here. Sorry about the lighting. Coming around the hairpin here, the first one. Yeah, that should be a pretty fun turn right there. It's coming right into the second hairpin right here. Yeah, and then over here is going to be some type of a building or something. Over here is what I like to call the split decision. Yeah, you can either go this way or you can go that way. Take your chances. This way is more of a straighter path, but it does have a couple of obstacles. That has that late obstacle right there, and there's the finish line. So that obstacle, if you do decide to take the short route right here, that obstacle could prove very costly. On the other hand, if you take this lane right here, you do have this obstacle, but you can swerve and recover in plenty of time to make this transition over here to the finish line. And again, we have another turnout over here, just all-purpose turnout. I may do some oval racing on this track and modify it slightly somehow too, because I kind of like that. So we're going to make this an all-purpose track. Here we have the start-finish line, as if you didn't see that already. And then we have the spacing marker here, so we can give the lead and the chase car a little bit of a gap on the start. And then we have a obstacle right here that forces you into the center section of the track over here so that you can start drifting and try to make that first registration point right there, which I think is going to be pretty difficult. I don't know. I haven't tried the track yet. I'm going to leave this area open right here just because there's a walkway here and it's a little footpath. Some of these strips aren't glued down yet. This one here still needs to be glued down, some of the newer ones. And you can see that old mattress and couch over there. And then we're back at the very beginning again. So, and then you can see the wall right here. I still have to make a bumper for the end of this wall right here. And I'll probably make one for the other end too, just make it look good. So, and then I'm going to find some background to go up on these walls over here. And then we're going to start racing. So I'm just waiting for a couple of parts to come in for my K969 WL toys, so I can turn that one into a full-scale drift car. And then the WL toys K989, I can charge a battery up and run that right now. I plan on doing a little bit of work to that to kind of make it the equal of the K969, except maybe not quite as much hop-up gear on there. But yeah, just so any other driver that comes here can have a decent car. And we'll have 2 cars to race. And this way, if your car breaks or you don't have a car, that's okay. Come on over and race anyway. So Anyways, I think that about wraps it up for this update. So anyhow, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Click the bell for notifications. Feel free to like, comment. Please like. Please help me out. I'm trying to make a channel here, and so far I got a little bit of help. So anyways, try to help me out. I'll help you out. Subscribe to your channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share. All that. You know the drill. This is Mark's Home Hobbies, and see you in the next one.